Recording in progress.
Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So in our previous video, we had discussed about your Java conditional statement. Okay. So now today we will gonna discuss about uh, about your ternary operator. Okay. So let me share my screen once. Then we will continue our today lecture. So hope it is visible now. Okay. So your Java ternary operator, okay. So basically your this concept will also gonna execute your concept of your Java conditional statement, okay. But the main thing is using of your ternary operator that it will help you to minimize your number of lines in your code, okay. Although you can do the same problem by using a if else statement, but by using the concept of your ternary operator, your code will become simplify and the number of lines will also get minimized. Okay, so first of all, let's take an example like you have some variables like a and b. Okay, a and b int b is equal to anything. You can take let's take 10. Okay, so now you have to compare these a and b, and based on your comparison you have to declare a result that your a is greater or your b is greater. So if we are gonna use your if else statement, then what we will gonna use, like if, and inside your if we will gonna pass your comparison that if your a is greater than b. Okay, if your a is greater than b, then I have to print a is greater. Okay, a is greater. Okay, and if else your b is greater. Okay, else your b is greater. Okay, so you have to write these two four line of your conditional statement for the perform the you can say that the comparison between a and b. Okay, so now let's first of all run this program, then we will see what a is greater. Okay, a is greater. You are okay. Okay. A is greater. Okay, and if you will gonna change the value of a, like let's make it 2 now. Run your program, then b is greater. Okay, so this all about your Java conditional statement by using if else. Okay, now same identities you can here use the concept of your ternary operator. Okay, you can use the concept of your ternary operator to perform the same task. Okay, and it will decrease your number of lines of code in your program. Okay, so it is looks like something like this. Okay, there is a question mark, then a colon. Okay, so if you have to print the same result using your ternary operator, so what we'll gonna use, first of all define a string, because we have to store the output as in the form of your stream. Okay, so string, you can take str is equal to, here you have to perform the condition. Okay, and that condition is if a is greater than b. Okay, then uh, put a put a question mark here. If your a is greater than b, then I have to print what message, that a is greater. A is greater. Okay, and if this condition will gonna wrong false, then I have to pass a message that b is greater. Okay. Now add a simple semicolon here. See, run this code. Then it will print your B is greater. Okay. See, the same line of code we're gonna execute here. First of all, let's make it comment. Okay, make it comment then. S out your str. Okay, run it. See, it will print B is greater. Okay. See how this piece of code is gonna work. First of all, here we have used a conditional statement that if your A is greater than B, okay. So if this condition will gonna satisfy, then this part will gonna return a value true, okay. So if this condition will gonna return a value true, then this message will gonna store in your str variable, okay. And if this part is gonna false, then your B is greater message is gonna store in your str variable, okay. And then here we are gonna print your str, okay. So see, your 1 2 3 4 5 6 line of code is get minimized in the form of your 2 lines of code, okay. So this is the main advantage of you using your Java ternary operator. Okay, although you can't use your concept of Java ternary operator everywhere, but for the some specific questions, you can uh, prefer your the concept of Java ternary operator. Okay, so this is the all about your ternary operator. Let's discuss the question that I had lived for you guys in our tomorrow session. That in that particular question, we had to find out that either a person is eligible for the voting or not. Okay, so see, first of all, let's write our question. We have to find out that person is eligible for voting or not, okay. Or not, okay. Okay, sorry, voting or not, okay. So for the becoming eligible for your voting criteria, your age should be greater than or equals to the 18, okay. So first of all, here you have to take a input from the user that like age, okay. That first of all, your user should give the age, okay, his age. So int age, first of all, let's take a variable age, okay. Now we have to take a input from a user that please enter your age here, okay. So just pass the message that enter your age, enter your age here, okay. And then after that, we had already discussed that how you can take input from user in Java, okay. So first of all, let's declare a scanner class. A scanner s is equal to new scanner, okay. And inside is system dot in okay. There is a bracket is lived here, okay. System dot in. And now by using your sc, we can take the input, okay. So age is equals to sc dot next int, because your age is of your integer type, okay. Next int, okay. So by using this piece of code, we are able to take input from user, okay. Input from user. And now your user had given his age, okay. So now we have to compare that either he is eligible for the voting or not, okay. So let's take a if statement. inside this if statement, we have to check that your user is will gonna pass the criteria limit or not. Okay, so if your age is greater than or equals to the 18, okay, then the message should be print you are eligible. Okay, you are eligible. Okay, and if this condition will not gonna fulfill, then your candidate is not eligible for the voting. Okay, then we have to pass the else pass a message inside your else condition that your candidate is not eligible for the voting. Okay, so not eligible. Okay, now let's first of all make these values comment from here. Also make these values comment out, although it is not gonna interfere in your program. Run it. See, it is looking for the entering the value that enter your age. Then I'm gonna enter that I am of 21 years. See, you are eligible for the voting. Okay, and if just run it again, run it again. If I'm gonna my enter my age 17, then not eligible. Okay, so it is working perfectly. Now you can solve this piece of code by using your Java ternary operator as well. Okay, so let's see that how you will solve this problem by using your Java ternary operator. So string str, you can take any variable, and now we have to pass the condition the same. If your internet is greater than or equals to the 18, then 18, then our candidates is eligible. Okay, eligible for voting, eligible for voting. Okay, voting, and if this particular condition is gonna return false statement, then we have to pass out the message that not eligible for voting. Okay, now add a semicolon here. Just make these variables comment out. Now run it. It is looking for your age. Uh, just make it 12 years here. Okay. Okay. Here we have to print our str as well. Okay. So str, now run it. Enter your age 12. Then not eligible for the voting. Okay. So this is all about your Java ternary operator, and in our next upcoming videos we will discuss about your Java arrays. Okay, so uh, please try to uh, please try to attend our next lecture of our Java arrays, because the concept of array is very much important for your you can say that the placement drive as well, and for the mock interview as well. Okay, because the questions of your Java arrays will definitely gonna ask in any interview, any test examination. Okay, so it is the very important concept in your Java. So I will request to all of your students, so kindly attend my tomorrow lecture. Okay, so see you tomorrow in our Java array series. Till then, keep learning, keep coding. Bye bye. Have a nice day.